Today I'm going to show you how I created a macrame hanging light and a jute lampshade for it. It is very easy. You just need to follow the video. Pause it or rewind it wherever required. I'm sure it will be a beautiful DIY project for your home. Oh, by the way, you can see it behind me there. If you are new to me, I share DIY projects which I do around the house. You also get to see my family day in life videos and my travel vlogs on this channel. Click that subscribe button and the bell button so you won't miss out. All the links for the products shown in this DIY project will be in the description box. Without any delay, let's jump into the video. I've got this wire from local hardware shop for previous project. I'm using the same now. The white rope that I am using here is also from the hardware shop. You can start the knots from the holder side, it will give a neat look. I started from plug side as I wanted to keep it steady while doing the knots. As you can see, I have plugged it in. I didn't measure the cord, just took the length approximately. Added extra when I needed more. Let me warn you, if you take very long cord, it will get tangled. So don't forget to tie the extra rope together as I have done it here. I have used half square knot and created a spiral look to cover the whole wire. Start by keeping the center of the rope length on the plug side or the holder side. Make the first knot as shown in the picture. I have done my first knot by following this picture. Now continue doing the same until you reach the end. At the end of the wire, I have just twisted the rope 1 or 2 times and tied it. You can use hot glue gun or any glue if you have. You can place a vintage bulb and you are done. But I wanted to use existing CFL bulb for this project, which was not looking so good. Now comes my next part of the DIY project, making the lampshade. Now that I am done with covering the wire, you can see it over there, it's all set. I want to make a lampshade for the lamp. So I'm working on that right now. Let me show you what I'll do there. I always use the material available at home. I start with an idea and make changes as I go. This lampshade is the result of that. I had these sticks which Kiki collected long ago from the garden, and I have this jute rope from college time. Yeah, I hold on to things. Now it's time to bundle the sticks and tie them all together. Just slowly follow the tying method I am showing here. You will be surprised to see how neat it will look. You can use this technique for tying different things. I took a cardboard and cut a base to hold everything together. Marked the bulb holder shape in the center of the cardboard so I know where the holder goes. Made some grooves on 3 sides to place the stick bundles in correct spot. Bundled the sticks the way I have shown here and tied them all together in a bunch on the top. Sorry, I didn't record how I tied them together. It is just a simple wrapping around the sticks, the wire and tying. The cardboard is helping to keep the sticks apart. The next thing to do is just wind the sticks with jute rope. After winding the jute rope to the sticks, I just knotted the end to one of the sticks. We are almost almost done. Screw the bulb in and cut the excess cardboard. If you like to keep the cardboard as it is, that's your choice. The lampshade is ready. I have a series of DIY project videos on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box. If you are interested, you can watch them next. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Until my next video, bye.